I was watching other YouTube videos and saw one where a YouTuber ordered a mystery bag or mystery box from Ranger Industries. And, you know, they're the ones that make the Dilutions and the Dina Wakley products, her media products, Tim Holtz Distress, Archival Ink, you know, those kinds of things. Anyway, she got it's a Dilutions mystery box. Yeah. Excuse me, it's called Dialogue Mystery Box. So I knew it'd be Diane Reevely products, which I love. I already have lots of her products and use them for journaling. And so anyway, I went online and checked, and they still had some. So I picked one up. It was only $18. And wait till you see what you get for, if I remember right, it was $18. Let me look in here. Open this packing list. Maybe it shows the price. It may not. I have already opened the package. In fact, I've already done a video, but I've messed something up, and so I thought I'd redo it quickly. Let's see. Sometimes these have the little business card. Put that up there. Sometimes these have the price. Yeah, it was $18.99, and then with shipping, it was a total of $23.99. So this was definitely worth the $23.99. I had a coupon for $5 off. I could have gotten the shipping free, but I messed it up and it didn't work. So anyway, but that was totally user error, not their fault. It was mine. Okay, so let's see what's inside and have a look at all the goodies. Oh, and I was also interested to see if, you know, what I got, my mystery box, was the same as the other YouTubers. And I cannot remember who that was. I hate that I can't remember. I tried looking it up with, you know, different names that popped in my head, and it was not that person. So I'm very sorry about that. I should have written it down. But anyway, I was too excited about what she got and seeing if they still had some left. So the first thing was the glue sticks, the Creative Diary glue sticks, and I love those. I have my own, you know, from ordering them off of the Ranger site, and I love it because of the triangle shape. You can get, you know, into corners, you know, really good. Little angles. Anyway, I like her glue, so that's a plus. And then there were some embellished paper clips, and these are so cute. I didn't have the hearts, but so I was glad to get these. I have some that are round, I think, that have other, you know, pictures on them, but they look like they've been made, you know, shiny like that with, you know, glossy accents. I don't know that it was glossy accents, but that's what it looks like. I thought that was funny because that's by Ranger too. So those are great. I'll definitely be using those. And then the Creative Diary Stickets, which are Diane Reevely's version of sticky notes, Post-it notes. They're fabulous. See, it's on a, you know, pad, and then you got the sticky up there. I typically glue the whole thing down and use them as journal spots. Not so much like Post-it notes. I'll put that back later. We also got one of her sticker pads, and it has, you know, all kinds of goodies in. That's like washi tape you can color, some that's already colored, some journal spots, words for the months, all kinds of things in there, little sayings and phrases, things for calendar type stuff. Anyway, great, great, great. I have that already, but I'm glad to have the second one. And then I haven't already taken this out. The elastic bands, you know, to put your inserts into the covers. And then not one, but two of the inserts. They go this way. This green one is the grid. Yep, gridded pages. And I was so excited about that because I didn't have any that were gridded. Mine were plain or lined. And the ones with the lines. Excellent. And to go around those, you get this cover. Isn't she cute? I think so. And I was excited about this because I don't have this one. I have the first one that I got was this. This one that says, "I'm working, please kindly go away." And inside it says, "Art can disturb the comfortable and comfort the disturbed." I love her sayings. Dilutions on the back, and that's the back of the cover. And then the last one that I got was this pattern, which I love. I've got several of her storage pouches in this pattern. It's my favorite. Just love that. Let's see if it has something on the inside. I can't remember. Yep. "The rebel in me will never die." Kind of cool. All right. So anyway, like I said, I was so glad to get a new one that's different from what I already have. Oh, "Live your life in color." And on the back it has "Dream." So there she is. She looks kind of sassy. So I can put the, you know, the inserts in here. In fact, I'll go ahead and slip them in quickly. There's the middle. And I can use my bands, you know, these to add other ones to these. So that's fabulous. And then, if you can believe it, there's one more thing. That's awesome. This I haven't opened up yet or taken out of the bag. It's, I think, it's a storage case. And it's the same pattern design as my favorite cover of hers. So that, to me, this was well worth easily the $18. But it's got handles and it unzips. You know, that's super long. I could put, you know, things like this in there. I could put paintbrushes, pens, rulers, you know, anything in there, markers. This is just awesome. And I love that it's got the little handles if I'm going somewhere, like to the car, and I know I'm going to be in there for, you know, a while doing stuff, you know, you can, easy to tote and drag around with me. So, yep, that was my $18 mystery box from Ranger. Lots of great stuff. Oops. The stickets, the embellished paper clips and glue and 2 inserts. So, well worth the money. And, you know, it was on, I think it's rangerinc.com. Let me see if this little card tells you. No, but they do have, Ranger does have a rewards program. And, I mean, I have benefited from this. You can get some free products. I made another order like a day or two after this and was able to redeem some points for a free pencil case. You get early access to promotions, like when Tammy Holtz comes out with a new color, new product line, you get notifications about that early 500 points to redeem for your birthday. And if you refer friends, you get $10 cash back when they make an order of a certain amount. So, yeah, you need to check Ranger out. Lots of good stuff there. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.